Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Are you feeling frustrated with your JBL Flip 6 glitching out or stuck with unwanted connections? Well, no worries. A factory reset is what's in order. In 3 simple steps, we'll get this factory reset. So number 1, we need to power on our JBL Flip 6. So we'll go ahead and hit the power button here on the back. It's going to power on. Give it a second. Your light is going to turn on there. So that's the first step. Our second step is to look at the top of the unit here. You're going to see a plus sign and a play button. We're going to hold both of those down for about 5 seconds. So let's go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's going to turn off automatically. Don't worry, that is normal. Just like that. And then the third step is to power it back on again. So we're going to power it right back on. It's going to load back up and start searching for a connection, and voila, your Flip 6 is reset and ready to pair with new devices. So hope this video helped you out. If you're looking for more tech tips, make sure to subscribe to Northern Viking Everyday. Until next time, thanks for watching and take care.